Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing some spring cleaning in my house. Before we get started with that, I just wanted to show you guys this really cute t-shirt that I'm wearing today from Thread Tank, and Thread Tank just launched some mom related t-shirts in honor of Mother's Day. I love the material of their t-shirts. They're so comfy. I also got these other two designs on the Heather Gray t-shirt. This one is a really cute coffee cup and it says Mom Fuel in the middle, and then the other one says Motherhood is my superpower. I only chose 3 of the t-shirts. They have several other mom related designs for you to pick from, so I will have their link down below for you to go and shop those, and you can get 15% off any mom related t-shirt from Thread Tank with my coupon code Hannah15, and that coupon code expires on Mother's Day, May 12th. So I only had about 2 more rooms in my house that I needed to spring clean, and that was this side of the living room here and then also in my kitchen. So we are going to be tackling both of those areas today. The first thing that I did in my living room was to get that broom like you saw and sweep down the corners of the ceiling to get down any cobwebs that there might be. And then I took my handheld vacuum and vacuumed these window seals of these long skinny windows that we have on this one wall in the living room. After that, I washed the windows with Method glass and surface spray and some paper towels, and I still haven't washed the outside of my windows yet, and I also haven't washed all of the inside of my windows either. We still have been getting some blowing dust some days, but I think that that's just an excuse now. I just keep putting it off. I just need to dedicate a whole day one of these days to just washing all of the outside of my windows. The next step was to dust all of the surfaces in the living room, and I'm using my favorite duster from Grove Collaborative. I think this is called the Grove Full Circle Duster. It's my favorite duster that I've ever had. You can buy it on the Grove Collaborative website, and you can also get a bunch of free stuff with your first order from Grove Collaborative. I will have all of the details and the link down below for that. And the only downfall with having a fake tree that has lots of leaves is that you have to dust it all, but at least I don't have to keep it alive, because if it was a real tree, it would probably be dead by now with my luck with real trees in my house. The last surface that I had to clean was my piano here, and Owen lately has been obsessed with trying to climb on top of the piano. Like I said in a previous video, he's been trying to climb on everything lately. So there was lots of little fingerprints on there that I had to clean off. And the next thing that I'm going to do is to vacuum down the couches, and I'm going to be using a new handheld vacuum today that was sent to me by the company Audew, I think is how you pronounce that, Audew. This vacuum has amazing reviews on their website, and I see why. It works awesome, the suction is amazing, and the price is really great too. So the vacuum, you will It will come with, in the box, one brush suction nozzle, one extension hose, one crevice attachment, one carrying bag, one user manual, and then of course the vacuum itself. It works amazing. I'll put the link for it down below. You guys can go and check it out if you've been looking for a handheld vacuum that's affordable. I think it's $45 on their website, which is a little bit cheaper than the one that I usually use that's from Amazon. So you guys can go and check this one out if you want one. I would say that it has the same amount of suction as that one from Amazon. So if you've been wanting to get one like that, you can go and check this one out. Okay, so now I'm done with the deep cleaning here in the living room, and I didn't move any of the furniture and vacuum underneath of it because I just recently rearranged this living room. I'll link that video down below because I did film it, but when I did the rearranging, I went ahead and just vacuumed underneath where the couches were, so I didn't have to do that today. So the next area that we're going to spring clean is the kitchen, and of course the first thing that I did was to grab my broom, sweep down the corners of the ceiling to get down any cobwebs that there would be, and then I just started working on the one side of the kitchen. I started off by dusting everything, and then I wanted to wipe down the baseboards and the chairs and the table legs, all of that fun stuff. So as you can see, I was using my Method glass and surface spray and a rag to wipe down the baseboards and also a few spots off the wall. And then after that, I got started working on wiping down the chairs and the table legs. And I do have these chairs linked in my Amazon storefront in case you were wondering where they were from. They are from Amazon and they do come in a 4-pack. I really love these chairs. I love having metal chairs because they're so easy to wipe down. Next thing that I wanted to do was to get these cabinets wiped down because they really needed cleaned, and this was the last thing that I got done for my spring cleaning today. I actually wasn't really feeling that great the day that I filmed this, and so once I got done wiping down the cabinets, I was just done for the day, so I'll just have to finish the rest of my spring cleaning on a different day. There's a lot more that I could spring clean in this kitchen. I want to get the inside of these cabinets decluttered and organized. I also need to clean the top of the cabinets, clean the top of the fridge. So I hope that you enjoyed this cleaning video and that it gave you that cleaning inspiration and motivation that you needed if you needed to get your house cleaned up or if you needed to get your spring cleaning done. Hopefully this video gave you the motivation to do that and you were able to clean along with me. If you want to keep on cleaning with me, I will have my cleaning playlist at the end of this video. You can just watch all of the rest of the cleaning videos that I've ever made and get a ton of cleaning done. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also head over and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Hannah's Happy Home, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!